We are going to talk about updating the mutation. Previously, we talked about acquiring, then mutating the add game, and then deleting. Let's talk about how to actually update the game. We have add game, delete game. Now let's create update game. Will also have the same thing, args. And now let's decide what this update game schema will look like. The first thing is the edit field, where we will allow the user to edit something, and then it will have the ID field of the ID which is actually required, which we want to edit the ID of the game, and which will return the list of the game updated with the updated value. We can create another edit game input field, and here we will allow them to write the string which is actually required, or the platform which is of type of string but it's optional. Go back to the update field, and here run db.games.map. In arguments, remember we will have something called ID, and then the games are the edit fields with flat map. Because when I want to use a condition, I use a flat map, and whenever the condition is false, you can just return an empty array. If the condition is false, return every time use map, so it will still return the game itself. We have created the update game here, and the schema also looks good. We forgot one thing to add here.
Alert from low battery.
Now let's go back to our code and try it. I will copy what I've previously. It will be update game mutation. Update game mutation will accept two things. One is the edit part, edit input. The first parameter is game input. Here we will pass two things. One is the ID. Let's pass the edit here. I want to make the value of game of 2 to total overdose. If we see the value of 2 from Final Fantasy, it has been changed to total overdose. Before we end this, the last thing which I want to talk about is enum type to actually cover in this. Let me just show you how it looks. We go here. Let's say we have a query favorite color, and we want to define a particular allow enum. So it can be have a particular color of red. To allow this type of value, we use something called enum. How we define an enum is just like how we define types at the bottom. We can just have this, and I will just show you itself. Writing like this is, let's type it like this. We have defined a particular type of value to have a certain type of value of red, green, or blue. You can directly define the brand color. Then you can define the enum, that is your allowed color. So you can define them like this. Now the thing is, whenever you want to use it from the query perspective, you can always in the GraphQL you can write query whatever query name you want. And then in the avatar you can give the border color, and you can directly give the value from the enum. This is how the enum will work. I hope I have covered most of the topic. If you really like this video, really please hit a thumbs up. We can make more videos like this. See you in the next video, guys. Your each like and each comments means a lot to me. Thank you, amazing. Keep supporting, guys.